see it?
Mm-hmm.
I guess I could open it and take it in.
The sprinkles are pretty awesome.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it's hard to
just
open.
pull it open.
Cute. Oh, edible.
Yeah.
More edible. Ooh. What is that?
Another mug.
That's a big mug. That's what we need more of.
Yeah.
Cute.
This is the main one I wanted.
Yeah.
I got the other one just cause.
I mean, the other one's amazing, even though it's a small one, but this is nutso. It's great. We need more big mugs. Because that's the only ones I use.
Cool. This is cute.
Yeah.
It's cuter than it was before. I'll have to rip the sticker though.
No. Blip. Oh my god, it's a rainbow. Cute. Oh my god, they all have little bows on them. Oh my god.
They do.
Oh my god. Ah, cute. Cute. Aww. It looks like I have one on there.
It does.
But
Like this.
why are you missing
This
purple?
one's cute. It's
Yeah.
pink on it.
Oh, I heard the crumbs.
Whoa.
They're good?
That's good. It's like lemon.
Oh.
Like lemon.
Oh.
This is probably some kind of orange. Yeah, it's
Whoa.
orange too. Yeah. Oh my god, that's good.
Whoa.
It's just so wrong with cutting them. Here. Okay.
It's something gonna be like a
Like right
TikTok where you go
above.
ching 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 ching. Oh god, his eyes.
Okay.
Oh god, it's like a horror movie. Like split it. So it's like
It's what boy. I didn't care for it.
oh my god. Good job. Oh my god. Blasphemy. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my god. Okay, stop playing with your food. Put them down. What are you doing?
I was just wanting to show the layers.
Oh, okay.
Is this alright?
Duh.